Okay, so as we finish up and continue with our music, let's keep going and let's talk about what's happening outside right now. It is springtime. Look at my beautiful spring flowers that I brought with me to music today. They smell so good. And look, what color are they? Is that red? No, what color is it? Yeah, that's right, it's yellow. Yellow is one of Miss Bird's favorite colors. I'm gonna set my flowers down right here for just a second. And let's think about some of the things that we have seen as it's become the season of spring outside. Have you looked at the trees? They're beginning to grow. So let's make ourselves be a tree. Everybody get your branches right here. Let's go up, 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 really big and tall. All right, that's good. So we're gonna sing a song in a minute talking about the trees. And it's gonna say the trees are gonna all start their growing. All right, now let's see, what about flowers? Flowers, oh, before the flowers become all beautiful like the ones I just showed you, they start out kind of like little bitty tiny buds. So let's be a flower bud. Here, put our little bud right here, and when our flowers begin to bloom, ta-da, we're a beautiful flower blooming, okay? So we got the trees are growing, the flowers will all start their blooming. All right, let's see. Oh, let's think about the birds. There's lots of baby birds that are beginning to hatch out right now. As a matter of fact, there's a nest at my house right now on my front porch in my light that's up on the top. So we have to be really careful at our house. So let's think about the birds. When the birds build their nest and they lay their eggs, what do? They sit down on the nest and they have to snuggle those eggs so they all start their nesting, all right? So can you do that? All right, so we got trees are growing, flowers are blooming, birds are what? Nesting. All right, and one more thing. Let's think about those little tiny things that fly around with a little stinger, and sometimes we're afraid of them, so we think, oh, they're gonna hurt me. What are those? Bees, that's right. So get your bees ready. Our bees will all start their buzzing, and everybody go bzz, bzz. All right, so you got it now? So we've got our what? Our trees are growing. Our flowers will all start their blooming. Our birds will all be nesting. And what else? Our bees will all start buzzing. Bzz, bzz. And this all happens when the spring is rolling in. All right, are you guys ready? Here, everybody roll your hands with me while we're waiting on the music. When the spring comes rolling in, oh, when the spring comes rolling in, be a tree, the trees will all start their growing. Be big when the spring comes rolling in. All right, the flowers are next. Oh, when the spring comes rolling in, oh, when the spring comes rolling in, the flowers will all start their blooming. When the spring comes rolling in, birds are next. Oh, when the spring comes rolling in, oh, when the spring comes rolling in, get on the nest, the birds will all start their nesting. When the spring comes rolling in, bees are next. Oh, when the spring comes rolling in, oh, when